Number one, your time. You got to get used to sacrificing your time if you're going to achieve it. Number two, you got to surrender comfort. If you're going to be successful, if you're going to achieve it, you've got to break out of your comfort zone. Number three, past versions of yourself. Every season requires a new version of yourself. If you were to ask me, what do I fear? I don't fear starting. I fear never starting and sleeping on my potential. I'm terrified of not manifesting and becoming the version of myself I was destined to be. You can't have the future if you can't surrender something that's no longer serving you. You cannot manifest. You cannot become the next version of yourself. You cannot experience a higher quality of life unless you sacrifice. There are some things that you love too much. They are no longer serving your vision.